Today, I'm going to show you how to put the screen protector on your brand new Nintendo Switch 2. I have the screen protector for this case, but this application will work for any plastic, flexible screen protector. I know you're going to have success if you follow these simple steps. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start by looking at what's in the package. We have the screen protector in blue with the two-part removal, the black microfiber cloth, and the yellow and white dust and speck remover. I start by placing the switch on something that'll help keep it from slipping as I take all the time that's necessary to remove all the fingerprints and smudges from the screen with the microfiber cloth. Some kits may include a small swatch with alcohol, but this one doesn't, although I don't think it's really necessary because the screen is basically brand new. But if yours does, now's the time to use it, then once over with a dry cloth. Next, I'll use this small patch of adhesive to lightly tap the screen and remove any dust particles that are visible. You can see I'm going back over here with the microfiber cloth once again because I noticed that there are just a few smudges and it's absolutely necessary to get those out if we're going to have a clean adhesion with the screen protector. Once you're comfortable to say you've removed all the particles from the surface of the screen, it's time to apply the screen protector. You'll start by removing the number 1 tab first, which will expose about a third of the screen protector, allowing you the opportunity to carefully align the edges and let the first part of the screen protector adhere to the screen. Next, you're going to carefully pull the number 2 tab out from underneath the screen protector, ensuring you don't touch the screen. Then grab your card and slide that across the top, helping the screen protector push down as you pull out the rest of the tab from underneath. So far so good. Now all we need to do is work out those bubbles and it'll be finished. The best method is to place the microfiber cloth on the screen and use your plastic card, working with light pressure from the center outward to remove the bubbles. This may take a while, but the more patience you practice here will pay off in the end. It is possible to scratch the plastic with too much pressure, even with the microfiber cloth. So be patient and know that even the most stubborn bubble can be coaxed out with this method. And there you have it, a near perfect application of a Switch 2 screen protector.